Okay, this is not the most professional production, it's just on my phone, but I am going to demonstrate putting the Eazy trees together. You can see these are the 2 rubber bands, 5 jaws, and my 2-year-old daughter running around, and this bridge piece. So, let's start. Grab each jaw, slide it in a little bit. As you can see, I'm doing this one-handed so far. There you go. 5 pieces. Bottom rubber band slips under here. Okay. Now it's a two-handed operation. There, snaps under right there on the hook. So one snap here and here and here and here. There, you can see they're all on. They're still quite loose. Top band, loop, 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 and lastly, loop. There you go. That's a little bit of tension. If I go all the way up with it, there's really no tension at all. And lastly, this piece goes right in here. Assembled. Done.